Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to tweak FOV and Viewmodel in CS2 right on your PC in 2025. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. All right, let's jump in. First, fire up CS2 on your PC and pop open the console. Hit that tilde or squiggly line key just under SE. If it's not budging, hop into Game Settings, make sure the console's enabled, and set your key in the UI Controls menu. Now type Viewmodel FOV, followed by a space and your fave number. Range from 54 to 68. Crank it up for a wider battlefield view or dial it down for a tighter focus. To shift the view model, type Viewmodel G offset with X for side to side, 2.5 to 2.5. Y for up down, 2 to 2, or Z for depth, 2 to 2, 2. For quick styles, type Viewmodel Summon on preset pose and add 1 for desktop, 2 for couch, or 3 for classic instant vibe. And that's it. You've successfully customized your FOV and Viewmodel in CS2. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.